day 10 of alert level 3 in New Zealand. So now I'll show you what I'm going to do with this like a ramp. So this side here, as you can see, there's like a thickening edge. The purpose of that is so that we can have concrete on this wall to protect this area here. So the reason why I have like thickening edge, because in concrete this is a weakest point, so I make the side as tapered, so to prevent the weakest point on the concrete. So basically we have 4 stages of concrete pouring. So one on this side, and second in the middle, it's on the middle, and the third is on the right hand side, and one this area with this small concrete. So there's like a services on this area, so that's why I separate a concrete for this one. So hopefully it will not rain today, so I can pour concrete. So I'll show you how to make a small concrete mix for this area. So the principle is the same as like 1 cubic meter, 1 cubic foot of sand, and 2 cubic foot of gravel, and cement. So the same principle applies on this small ramp. And on this on the top, that one, so still I'm going to put some topsoil before leveling. As you can see, so this is the finished topsoil level. So I need a lot of topsoil to put it here. So I have to finish that ramp, concrete ramp first, this one here, before I continue the grass footpath. So to my subscriber and viewers, so just stay with me when I do the concrete mix for a small concrete ramp. Thank you so much for staying with me. Thank you for your support, and have a good day, and God bless you. Thank you to my subscribers, viewers, and people watching my YouTube channel. See you next time when I put concrete on this as a concrete ramp. Bye for now. Thank you. Bye.